In any organization, HR and payroll managers spend a significant amount of time in maintaining attendance records, making reports for clock in and clock out time, tracking delays, overtime, etc. before processing payroll. In this video, you will learn how to finalize the attendance of employees and also to download the attendance finalization report smoothly and effortlessly. Let's see it in action. From your admin login, navigate to Attendance Period Finalization from the Leave Admin section to get started. On this page, you can finalize the attendance of your employees after accounting for any applicable penalties due to adherence issues. View the details such as employee number, employee name, status, the applicable dates which indicates the dates on which the exception occurred. And finally, the exception rule shows the associated exception and deduction details. Kindly note, you can always set the penalty deduction from the employee's available leave balance, or the penalty can be deducted as LOP from the employee's salary directly. As an admin, you can ignore the exception of an individual employee or in bulk by clicking on Ignore or Ignore All. A pop-up appears, prompting you to confirm your actions. By using the deduction button, you can ensure the deduction for payroll processing. If the penalty deduction is set as leave, the same will be deducted from the employee's leave balance, else it will be considered loss of pay. You can deduct the exceptions of an individual employee or in bulk by clicking on Deduct or Deduct All. A pop-up appears, prompting you to confirm your actions. You can always automate the penalty deduction process on greytHR using the Auto Deduct option in the back end. Please get in touch with our support team to enable this feature. You can also download the attendance finalization report by customizing these drop-down filters. Once done, select the required entries using checkboxes and click here to download. This is how the simple process of attendance penalty deduction works with greytHR. With that, we come to an end. Please like and subscribe to this channel for updates about our upcoming videos.